since I came out to play. I am face to face with my fears, learn my lessons through the tears, make memories with new.
The final result much more stunning than the sum of the single parts. Despite the barely chilly weather, she already wore a woolen sweater, fur pants, boots, and overcoat, as if it was already winter. At their arrival, Lift noticed that the classroom in the middle of the stone cave that was the Hydra's home had one more desk and a few unexpected
Stay the fuck up right now. Please stay up, bro. Please stay up. Oh, both of y'all niggas, bro. We good.
of time to think, usually about how to stop the world from blowing up. When the cell phone in his cup holder rang, he was surprised to see an unknown caller. Very few people had this number, and there were even fewer who would dare phone before dawn. He stopped pedaling, caught his breath, and answered. Yes? Good morning, Director, said a woman's voice with an urgent edge. This is Heidi Nagel in Brock. Heidi? The call from his former senior counsel was entirely unexpected. You're on
God damn it, man. I don't...
Whoa! What the fuck? What's that?
What the fuck am I doing?
Like the middle of the fucking road. Whoa!
I don't give a fuck. I'll break your motherfucking ass. Get the fuck out. There you go, you motherfucker.
Ooh, ooh.
The fuck off the road.
Oh, I'm so calm, you got.
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the